Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You're tuned in to Living Modestly Naturally. I'm Rachel Harris, and on today's video I will be making a perfume body mist. And the ingredients that I'll be using are, for my fragrances, I'll be using cherry blossom, I'll be using watermelon aroma, and apple note. So these three fragrance oils I'll be mixing together with Perfumer's alcohol, denatured grain alcohol. I'll be mixing that into one cup right there, and then I'll also be adding vegetable glycerin. You can see that, and distilled water. So if you want to see how I put everything together, just keep watching. So first, I'm going to start with the fragrances to mix them together. I have a more detailed video. If you check my channel, you will see about, I think, 7 or 8 months ago, I made a more detailed video showing how to make perfumes and like the breakdowns of the different notes and how to put them together to create a scent. So, but now today I'm going to try to make everything more condensed. And so I'm going to start with my fragrances. I started putting the apple note. I put like 30 drops of the apple note already into this. So next I'm going to put the watermelon, because the apple note is my base and the watermelon is my middle note. So I'll be adding 15 drops. And I'm looking down because you want to keep note of the amount of drops that you're putting into your fragrances to keep everything organized. So I'm going to put 15 drops of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I got that in there, mixed with the apple note. Next, I'm going to add the cherry blossom. Cherry blossom is the top note. That's the note that's gonna peek through in your fragrance, but then quickly disappear. So with that, I'm gonna add 10 drops of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then pour the rest back in. And as you can see, I'm using different pipettes. This is a pipette, and this is what I'm using to put the fragrances together. And you want to use different pipettes for each fragrance so you don't mix the fragrances together in the alcohol in their bottles. So now what I'm doing is I'm just giving it a twirling it around. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to check to see how I like the scent. Okay. I definitely smell the watermelon and the apple. Yeah, the apple definitely coming through, which is the scent that I wanted the most. And here I have the alcohol. I'm going to use 10 drops of grain alcohol or denatured alcohol. So 10 drops of that. And this is to help the scent last longer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's okay if a little more comes out. Just as long as it's not too much. So I'm going to mix that as well. Okay. Next, I'm going to mix this together. So I have the glycerin. I already added a tablespoon, so I need 2 more tablespoons to make 3 tablespoons of vegetable glycerin here. That's 1, then another. So altogether is 3. I did 1 tablespoon off camera with this. And then I'm going to add 7 tablespoons of distilled water. This measurement is for a 4-ounce spray bottle. So if you have a bigger spray bottle, then please add more as needed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Next, I'm going to stir everything together. Just use a plastic utensil to do that. So I'm going to mix all of that together. All of that together. And then make sure you get, I got me a glass bottle. You can order these items online, you know, to be able to make your own. I got the glass bottle, and I figure glass is better and helps to keep the scent. So it helps the scents last longer, and plus it doesn't. If you have oils that are not diluted, it's better to put the contents in in glass bottles, because glass bottles help them to keep the fragrances from ruining the plastic. So if you have diluted scents, then you can put them in plastic containers. But since I don't have diluted scents, I'm going to put them in the glass. So first, I'm going to add this here, liquid here. So I'm going to take this funnel and put it right on top for easy pour and to eliminate mess. Look at this first. See, so it's perfect for a 4-ounce. So it reached all the way up to the top. Next, I'm going to add the fragrance here. Shake it up. Here, shake it up. Shake it up, shake it up. And there you have it. Very simple, very easy. And what you want to do now is let this sit for about 2 weeks, 2 or 3 weeks or so, because the longer it sits is the longer the scents kind of mix well together, and you'll be able to get better results. Don't be so hasty to use it so quickly, because you may not be able to, you may not get the desired effect that you want. And so I'm going to let this sit, and what I'm going to do is put it in the refrigerator, you know, to preserve it, and you should be fine. So let me just test it out to see how it smells. Yeah, it smells really nice. It gives a light, it's a light scent. And that's what Body Mist does. It gives a light scent. So thank you so much for watching. And make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you once again to all those that have been sticking with me. I hope this channel can be able to grow and become a wonderful community where we can share ideas and thoughts. So thank you once again, and see you all in my next video. Bye.